uyayivumela thina sibona inhloso yokusishiya kwakhe hamba kerela phambili ngewo sibona inhloso phambili ngejimore thina sibona inhloso yokusishiya kwakhe hamba kerela iboni yondo phambili ngejimore ngesikhathi sidontsha amabhrantshi sihambe bosoko babekuphi join umzabalazo ngesikhathi sidontsha amabhrantshi sihambe bosoko babekuphi joina ngesikhathi sihambe bosoko silontsha amabhrantshi babekuphi amandla awethu angibingelele our supreme leader President J.G. Zuma ngibingelele bonke abaholi abala ngemuva kwethu ngibingelele bonke ubuholi beprovince ngibingelele abaholi beregion sub-region ward VD ngigcine ngamavolunteer ngithi gwaza mkhonto gwaza comrades iprogram ekababa sonke sozo baba ukuthi ukuthini kuthini kodwa ngizothi as the MK Youth League sifisa ukunitshena comrade ukuthi uma uthanda izikhundla awubelongi ku-MK party siyabona comrade ukuthi njoba manje ukhethwa amakhansela nama-PR senikhohle ukuthi yini umsebenzi we-MK party South Africa comrade. The main objective of the MK party is to unite African people. Hayi ukuthi wena ube nesikhundla ukhohle umphakathi. Now we are saying comrades, ku-MK Youth League we have 3 values and are clear, unnegotiable. Our task is to mobilize, is to organize, is to agitate. If we are saying we must agitate, we are saying if IEC stole our vote for 2024 on May 29, umekuphinda lokho uzokubona kwabona uSawuli ngoNovember 4 comrade. Now lokho sokhuluma kwiprogram ye-Youth League ubabe ngekho ngoba we are young people and we are clear ukuthi siyaboshwa sifuthi ukuthi siboshwe babe ngekho siboshwe sisodwa because comrades in 1976 young people were clear to defend this revolution, to give us freedom, to give us free education. Thina sothi senzani thina 2026 comrades. Sengivala comrades. Siyacela maqabane. Ake sihlonipheni inqumo ze-organization. Siyeke ukubanga. Uma khona ukhansela okhethiwe, musupporte ukuze MK ikwazi ukusikhulula. Comrades, asiyekeni ungena kwa-WhatsApp group sithukele inqumo ze-organization comrades. Umzabalazo we-MK party ukho ku-WhatsApp ukwi-VD amandla.
Sibonge Women's League